Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I have some extreme cleaning motivation for you guys, but I also have some decluttering and organizing motivation also. So if you guys are ready for today's video, let's go ahead and just hop right in.
Keeping words safe in my heart, I can never say that, but I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. I get too far in my thoughts, they take me back to the start, what we were, like we're still all good. You know I miss you the most.
So one of my tasks on today's list is to reorganize my daughter's drawers. There were tons of clothes in there that just do not fit her anymore or that she hasn't worn in a long time. So we're gonna go through her drawers today and get it reorganized and looking good. So the next thing I had to do is go through Ava's closet and figure out things that she was no longer wearing. So today I teamed up with Poshmark to share a little bit about their website and their app with you guys. It is a place that you can sell and buy new or secondhand fashion, home decor, or beauty items for women, men, kids, and more. It's really easy to use. I have the app and I just go ahead and figure out what I want to put in my closet, and I take a picture of it. I put the picture on the app. Then I go ahead and put all of the details of the product. I was posting these jeans, so I was just kind of putting the brand of the jeans, what size they are, the color, all of those fun details. And then you post it to your Poshmark closet. So it's super easy. And what's really awesome is you can also post home decor on there, which is really cool. It's also a great place if you don't want to pay full price for the bigger brand items. I have purchased things from Gymshark, Victoria's Secret, Lululemon, all from the Poshmark website. So I will have their information in the description box for you to check them out. If you have a Poshmark closet, let me know, comment down below. I would love to check your closet out too. And then I will have my Poshmark closet down in my description box. I did post all of those items that I was showing you earlier, and they are up there now on my closet. So we're gonna go ahead and continue decluttering through Ava's clothes. We are going through the drawers right now, and she is going to help me figure out the things that she wants to keep and get rid of, and things that are just too small for her.
To do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile and the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to.
So we were having such a great time doing this together. A lot of laughs and a lot of cries because we were thinking of all the memories when she would wear some of these little outfits that were from when she was a baby. She remembers them. She's like, oh, this was my favorite. Oh, I used to wear this all the time, but now it's too small. It was so cute, you guys.
We can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So this is a bin that I keep under Ava's bed for seasonal clothes. So these were some of her winter clothes. You guys, this doesn't work for me. I know people put up their seasonal clothes and then will take them out when it's summer or winter. But you guys, I forgot about our winter clothes underneath our beds this year. So we didn't even wear any of these things. So I'm going through them now, seeing if anything is too small and that if we want to get rid of it or keep it.
Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit.
So this was actually the day before Easter, so I wanted to get the whole downstairs really clean so it would be ready for Easter and we could just hang out in a clean house. If you guys celebrate, I hope you guys had an amazing day with your loved ones. I know we did. I shared a little bit of it over on my Instagram, just like pictures of the family. And then on my stories, I shared the Easter egg hunt that I did for the kids. It was really fun. So I hope you guys had a fun day too.
I'm hurting, baby, but I don't feel too good. It's like I'm burning lately when you're not in my blood. Loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I need your loving, baby. It's all I'm thinking of. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough.
So, you know, at the beginning of the year, how we're all into decluttering and organizing and getting our house organized for the year. And I had a list. I'm sure you guys had a list of things you wanted to tackle and get decluttered this year, but I'm wondering if you finished your list. So we almost did. You guys probably seen my last decluttering video where I decluttered the closet. That was crazy cluttered. But we actually have a couple of more spaces that we wanted to clutter in the house. That is our garage. That definitely needs to be decluttered. And then my daughter's closet. She has a lot of toys in there that I want to go through and declutter and stuff. So we're almost done with getting the house completely decluttered. It just took a few months.
Crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. Of your love, I want your love. I need your love, 'cause I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love, 'cause I'm never gonna get enough. No, no, no.
So a lot of you guys know I don't typically wear gloves when I wash the dishes on a regular basis or anything, but I do have press-on nails that I've been wearing lately, and I just don't want to have like hot soapy water on them the whole time I'm doing dishes. So I went ahead and wore gloves, but I'm wearing two different kinds because the pink ones are really they have a really good grip. And then those teal greenish ones, those ones actually have some scrubbing like brush bristles at the palm of my hand. So it helps me scrub off food. But the problem is I can't grip the dishes good. Like they fall right out of my hand. So that is why I'm using two different kinds.
Since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
What I'm doing here is going ahead and spraying my stovetop with my Method cleaner, and that's just so I can loosen up any of the food, and anything that's loose I can just wipe it right up. But I'm actually going to go in a little bit later with my barkeeper's friend just to give my stove a deeper clean and get some of the burned food and stains up off of it.
Second chances, like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war zone, I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, I know that it's difficult dealing with emotions, but I want you to.
So what I'm using here is my stainless steel e-cloth. You guys know I love to use this on all of my stainless steel. It does such a great job. So it definitely leaves it shinier and fingerprint free longer than any other product I've used.
I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, love you a little bit more. find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what you said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, love you a little bit more. Just a little bit. Love you a little bit
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive.
So right here I started vacuuming and I forgot I did not wipe down the coffee table, and I like to wipe down the surfaces before I actually clean the floors, just in case any crumbs or anything needs to go on the floor, or if they fall on the floor, we can get them vacuumed up.
I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me.
So next I'm going to go ahead and mop the floors. I'm using my eCloth mop. All you do is add water and it is ready to go. I have had questions about this mop, if it is durable, and I've had it for a few months now and I haven't had any problems with it, so I do like it and I do recommend it.
At least we try to survive.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
Oh, oh, oh.
Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation and you got some things done. I will see all of you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out Poshmark down in my description box and click on their link to download the app. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Two different minds telling lies.
That's how we stay alive.